So I met these people on Discord and they wanted to come to my country, so you know I had to farm the out of them. My friends came to the Philippines and they wanted me to show them around. Since I have a Chinese friend, I'm gonna take him to Binondo. And since I have another friend, I'm going to take him to Chili's. Okay, all jokes aside, I'm showing them around Metro Manila only, which kinda sucks because they're supposed to come for the beaches, but we didn't go because they didn't have enough time. But that's fine. Let's get into the video. Say hello to my video.
Delete this shit.
Hey guys, welcome back to my video. We were gonna have plans today, but it got cancelled. Here were the plans. Number 1, Chinatown with my Chinese friend. Didn't happen. Raining really bad. Did not anticipate that, not gonna lie. Slightly upsetting, but what can you do? Anyways, I'll see you guys when we find out where we're gonna go next. This is the fit without the shoes. I think it's pretty fire. Let's go. Finally found a place to go to. Are you so excited, Yanni, or what?
Yes, very excited.
Yes. Are you going to the gym today?
Yes.
Alright.
What mall is this?
Hey guys, right now we are at 8 Cuts. Me and Josh is go-to. Anyways, never mind him. He's like a little baby. Yanni and Valen, are you guys so excited right now?
I love this guy. He's my favorite Chinese Singaporean ever. He's the reason why TikTok is still up, guys. What? Chinatown. I'm Singaporean.
I chat, you already know the vibes.
Every burger.
Holy guacamole.
I'm low-key not being the allegations. I've had chicken literally 3 days in a row, bro.
You are not eating the Ronnie, do you know what you need? Watermelon.
I don't even like watermelon like that.
You know why? You don't have to cool it to mix it.
If this video gets 50 likes in the first 2 months, I'll come back and stay in the Philippines for 2 months next summer.
50 likes?
50.
That's too much. Yeah, if this video gets 1 million, I'll post a picture of my nipple on Twitter. Oh my gosh!
It has to be racist, you know why? Yeah, it's just subject law. You know why? Your eyes are too small.
No worries.
Alright, I'm done. I can't. If I want this chicken.
No. You're done with your chicken?
Oh, wait. I'll have some more tonight.
Alright, Chai, you already know what's good. We're about to start live streaming even though we were supposed to stream on this thing. However, it just didn't work for some stupid reason. You know what? I low-key look homeless because I thought we were gonna go to Chinatown today. I am not dressed for the occasion. I'm gonna do a cooking stream on this thing and when we maybe get Wi-Fi. What? We didn't need the fire anyway. We could just... Bruh. We didn't need it.
Put it in
the sink, you dumbass!
Alright, there we go, Chow. We live. Let's get it. Hey guys, currently going to get some snacks. Josh bargaining right now.
Guys, we're in like day 3 and I've spent like 20,000 pesos already. I'm low-key going broke. Like I said, 50 likes, I'll come for the entire I'll come for the summer. If I come back next summer, stay for 2 months, you coming back?
No, I'm not coming back.
You're not gonna come back? Damn. It's literally like December. It's gonna be hot as fuck in like June. Dude,
It's always hot.
I'm sweating like right now. Dude, this is literally like, in South Carolina, this is probably like peak. But we're getting just a bunch of different snacks. This place is actually pretty nice. Show everybody. And it goes down. I got a Filipinas jersey. Not a Filipinas, because that's guys who are girls. But a Filipinas Jordan Clarkson jersey.
What is this freaking music? Alright, here's the plan when we get back home. Number 1, go get Liddy for real.
Why don't you just go to a hardcore bar today? Yeah? And tomorrow we do it again. That's how we do it here. For 4 pairs of socks, we are waiting 30 minutes to pay.
Gonna nut in Josh tonight.
What?
So it's been like 2 weeks since I asked Vin, can I be her manager? She said, okay, why not? She hasn't paid me yet, but we'll get there within the next couple of years. So this line is so long.
It is taking a minute. Yo, let's do a little rap battle moment. You start the rap battle. Go. Ew, the lighting is so chopped. Yanni's my manager. That means
okVenn is short.
he called me short. Stick my dick in his ass like a port.
If I say that to you, I'm going to jail.
L line. Alright, let's start again. Yanni, go. Are you fucking kidding me? What is this? Give me a word.
Give you a word.
Yeah, give me a word.
Short.
Yanni thinks Ven is short. The only thing short about this is... Cut. Let's go. Little tour of my crib right here. Monopoly. So we're gonna play some Wangan because Valen said if I beat him, he'll buy me a drink. If I don't win, I hope he still buys me a mother drink. Let's get it. Just so you know, arcades like this are low-key gambling for children, getting ready for life. So they don't teach you at school. You wanna get rich real quick?
It's the day after we did the stream. Vin, throw up some clips like right here.
Oh my god, wait, oh my god, please. Oh my god.
Alright, now we're just waiting on Skiz to get back from the airport, but he's been here on the way for like damn near 3 hours now. Vin, explain what we're doing today.
Alright, so yesterday, as I was talking about, we were supposed to be going to Chinatown, but we did not because it's raining really bad. And I thought we were gonna go to Chinatown again. I mean, I can show it now. So this, as you can see, it is very, very bright and sunny. When I got here, I nearly disintegrated. I'm Filipino and I'm used to this weather, but I'm telling you, this weather, this type of heat is like no other. I don't know if Yanni is gonna survive in this heat because I couldn't survive in the heat. Okay, I was damn near about to disintegrate. It's really hot. Like I was already sweating. And this has like holes in it. If you haven't seen the video, which probably should be up right here. Right here, it should be up right here. If you haven't seen the video, go see the video. And if you haven't seen the cooking video, go look at that too. This will be the very last thing that we upload. I am going to link all the videos down in the description below. Go watch it if you are not a furry. Let's go. Nothing wrong with being a furry. Hey guys, so now we're with Skiz, who got here slightly late. Skiz, how do you feel?
Tired. Very tired.
Skiz didn't sleep because he's way too excited.
Bro, the traffic was like 2 hours long from the airport and I was just good.
Hey,
So
Christmas traffic is real. I was supposed to get here an hour ago too, actually, but the traffic is really bad. And it's really f***ing hot. It was really freaking hot. It was like extra hot for some reason.
tired. Yeah, it was really hot, yeah.
Hopefully we'll survive the heat when we're in Chinatown. My CS goes in one room. Alright. Welcome. I don't know if we're gonna see anything just because it is late, but there is one restaurant that I want to go to. Can you show yourself? No? Alright, we're in Chinatown. Let's get it, everybody! Again, don't know where we are. Like, I don't know where to go. Everyone thinks that I'm leading them to the right place. I'll be fair with you. I don't even know where to go. But it's fine, because I'm just gonna go around the street and hopefully we find the things that we're supposed to find. If this video gets... Oh shit. This kid almost got ran over. GG's.
Look what this says. It says, sana magka-jowa na ako.
65 kg Barbie arm snatch race.
I wish I could get a partner. And Hugo is like trying. Chat, we're trying this one out first. It's the Xiaolong Bao.
I'm gonna let Valen try first.
We got the seal of approval from a Chinese man.
It tastes like dumplings. It's not like. What is it? Xiaolong bao?
Yeah, but
No, it's not.
my turn. Feed me the whole thing.
Xiaolong bao is like soup dumpling.
Oh, you only this up. It's kind of dry.
It tastes like regular dumplings.
I don't know what the it is.
Is it like squid?
No, it's not.
Rice cake.
Give it to you. You like that? I don't like it. It's not that good.
It's like Korean rice cakes. What is this?
This is meow. Alright, chat. We didn't even rate it. We just ate because we're just so hungry.
I haven't got the fish.
Unang kagat, tinapay lahat. Pineapple. I don't like pineapple.
What is that pineapple?
It's a 5 out of 10. I don't know. I don't like it. The pineapples ruin it for me.
You like it?
I don't understand
This
it.
is not Chinese.
I don't want it because there's pineapple. I don't like pineapple. You guys currently walking right now. I'll be honest with you, again, still don't know where the we're going. Okay, unfortunately, I'm telling you guys, everything kind of closed down. So we don't know where everyone else is going. We have nothing to base it off. Downsides, many people. Upsides, at least you know where it's good, man. Yes, let's shop for an iPhone in the middle of Binondo. There's an imposter among us. Alright guys, we're really late. So everything pretty much closed except the Nam. Alright, let's get to tasting.
Basically braised pork.
Hot. Alright guys, taste test. Let's go. Never had this before.
Lots of life.
Flip farm.
We've been to it good. Let's get it. I'm just wondering if this would taste better than the one next to it. So the one next to it was the one we're supposed to go to. Mmm. Oh, it's so good.
Seal of approval.
Hey. And the Chinese liked it. The one earlier is not that good. What's that pineapple? What the
Fuck that shit, touch my head.
I'm a
He's not gonna. I swear. He's a nice guy.
shit low-key good, bro.
Low key? What do you mean low key?
Not better than the Supreme Pizza one.
What? No way.
That's the American in you, Yanni.
I mean, like, it's good. I don't want any meat unless it's from this man.
Alright guys, everyone likes it. Let's go. Except Yanni because he's American. He likes pineapple in his pizza. What he doesn't know, he actually ate a freaking cat. GG's. What can you say the fact that you just ate a cat?
Meow, meow, nigga.
Alright chat, a little update. We're going to Causeway, which is my very much favorite restaurant. I've been eating there since I was a little girl. I'm excited for them to try it because, I mean, the more rundown it is, the better. So hopefully there's a smear next to the door. I need a little Chinese kid crying doing his math homework. And you know the restaurant's about to be good if the kid's on the cashier taking orders. I'm excited. I haven't eaten at this location, but I always eat at their other location. And it's never failed. And it's always good. It's really f***ing good, actually. Delicious. Walking around Chinatown is interesting because me and Josh have never been here before. Hey, there's a casino. It literally smells like straight shit up in this alley, bro. So far, having fun. We would have went to more stalls, obviously, but we did get here pretty late, so can't be mad about that. Sorry, my bangs look very yee right now. It was hot and it was sweating. I was sweating really bad. We are at Causeway. I love this place. Are you so excited to try the dim sum today?
The only good thing was whatever that was, and then the braised. This is okay.
He only likes the shawmai, basic, and the spare ribs, which is always a hit. Thank you.
of American Chinese.
American
Hell no,
Chinese.
Panda Express.
Orange chicken? Oh, hell no. Hi guys, currently in the grocery store because I will be cooking for them. If you haven't seen that video, it's on my stream, which is edited on my channel right now, so go watch it. We're making pork adobo for them. Enjoy Skiz's section where he yaps about things.
Hello guys, I do want manghwan chips. Philippines, I'm very tired right now, but it was pretty fun.
I'm not gonna make a lot because I'm not eating it. I'm too full, but I think that should be enough. Should be enough. Yeah, I'm thinking that's enough, Loki. Thank you po. So we got the garlic. We need to find soy sauce. Let's go find some soy sauce. Oh, is that over there? Y'all see the soy sauce anywhere? Preferably like not the big one. Hey, that's so weird. Why don't they got soy sauce around here? Is it right here? Hey, W Skids for finding it. We don't need a lot. We don't need a lot, just so you know. Do we have oil? We don't have oil? Okay, well, in that case, you probably need to get oil then. Oh, vinegar. Is it sukang puti or sukang madaka? Oh, it's the same thing, it's just a different brand. Silver Swan, sukang puti, let's go. Is there a smaller version of this? Honestly, we don't even need that much. Hey, you know what? It doesn't even cost a lot. Oh, there we go. Hey, W Yanni for finding it. We got vinegar right here. We got soy sauce, we got the vinegar. Oh, thank you. Now we need the brown sugar, which should be somewhere. All right, so you're gonna find the brown sugar next. I don't really see anything. Wait, where the f is the brown sugar at? Hey, we've been going around and around. We still don't know where the damn sugar is. Oh, hold on. Excuse me. Saan po dito yung asukal? Ah, sa gitna.
You know.
Okay, thank you po. He said it's somewhere in the middle. Is he f***ing lying? Yo, he's probably annoyed that I'd be like, nah, it's right there, it's right there. Oh, you see it? Oh, nice. Let's get a little brown sugar motion for the ocean. Can we need the smallest one? We're actually only gonna need, we don't need this much, by the way. We're only probably gonna need a teaspoon. Or, is there sugar in the Airbnb? Probably not. All we need is peppercorn, a bay leaf, we're all good. Peppercorn, this is not where it's at, but we're gonna browse. Or. Oh, you found it? Wait, where was it? You know what? I refuse to believe there's no oil in the Airbnb, and if there's no oil, we'll render out the pork fat. Peppercorn, the bay leaf. Oh, we got whole pepper. I would do ground pepper. I would actually do this one. Peppercorn and a bay leaf. We can't cook this without the bay leaf. Bay leaf. Oh, bay leaves. Oh, these are the bougie bay leaves. These are from Italy. I need some of the Philippines. Hey, but if we got no choice, might have to do it. This is all the bay leaves they got. These are sourced from Italy. We don't need the Italian ones. Alright, good enough for me, whatever. Yeah. Seems correct to me. Ow! Oh, yes. Alright, let's see if we got everything. Alright, we got everything. Where can I scan my thing? Is there only one? Is there only one checkout? Oh, hell nah. There's only one checkout. Oh, one. I'm feeling mango. We should get multiple because we don't know what they like. We can get, 4 seasons. Because you want something with a kick when you drink it. So it has to be slightly sour. I chose mango because I'm a wuss. Okay, I'll just get these 3. If they don't like it, they can fuck off. I'm broke as fuck.
How are you gonna pay for this?
Like this. So yeah, we're about to pay for all these. Watch the video, and I don't get ad revenue because I don't meet the qualifications yet, or any revenue for that fact. So keep watching this video so we can get money and I can finally pay Yanni for doing all his free labor. We did a cooking stream right after this, so if you haven't seen it, again, go watch it. Technically, it's just the other part of the vlog, and then we went to Enchanted Kingdom the day after, which is also another video. And that kind of concludes our trip. Anyways.
Alright guys, everyone left. I did say bye to Yanni, but I was half asleep. Did not say bye to Skiz though, but I did hear him. And I will probably see him again, most definitely. At least I can say bye to the 2 people I might not see for a very long time. So, I'm defrost. Thanks Yanni and Valen for coming. Alright guys, this is my outro. I'm probably gonna end it here. I'll see you guys in the next video. Go watch my other videos if you like this one. Bye bye. Cut.